I'm Nisha Siripurapu, and once again I welcome you all to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. In this video I am going to share a very interesting recipe. Today I am going to teach you how to make vegan curd, and this curd I have made without using milk and without using any starter. Sounds strange, right? But trust me, it's a very healthy recipe and it's very simple. Now what I have done is I have used peanuts and I have made peanut milk out of it. But if you are not comfortable using peanuts and if you have any hang-ups regarding this nut, what you can do is you can use almonds or cashews or even brown rice. Now if you are diabetic, this recipe is exclusively for you. Now you can replace your ordinary curd with this vegan curd, and you can use this for making buttermilk, you can use this for making curry, you can use it in any which way you want. So let's go into the kitchen and check it out. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen by clicking on my picture above. I keep coming every few weeks with one very new, healthy and interesting recipe, and of course with loads and loads of information on diabetes. So stay connected and see you soon. Thank you so very much.